Hey Tim, is Amazon doing something to crack down on these international sellers that aren't following the rules? So the answer is absolutely yes, they are. Hey Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners, it's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. I was on a call recently with a bunch of brand new Amazon sellers and a common question kept coming up. Hey Tim, is Amazon doing something to crack down on these international sellers that aren't following the rules? So the answer is absolutely yes, they are. But I want to do a quick video and highlight 3 specific things that Amazon started doing recently to get rid of some of these fake sellers. Now, when I say fake sellers, I mean sellers that are international, they're not following the rules, and they're using what are called black hat tactics to sell on Amazon. Now, what are they doing exactly? By the way, I just want to point out first, there's a lot of great international sellers that are doing it legitimate, but there's a chunk of them that are doing it the wrong way. Now, what does that mean to you and me that sell in North America? They're muddying the water a little bit. We want Amazon to get rid of these sellers, clear out the water, and make it a whole lot easier for us to get more sales. If you're already selling and doing great, this can help you get more sales. Okay, so here's what these accounts are doing. And now I don't want to train you how to do it the wrong way, so I'll just leave this basic. They're opening up an account using a fake address based in North America usually, maybe a virtual bank account. They're not really selling anything. They're not really going to ship anything. A lot of different tactics they're doing, maybe knockoffs or fake products, and they're just looking to get a few quick paychecks from Amazon before Amazon notices that they're not following the rules and shuts them down. If they get a few quick paychecks, they say, fantastic, we got it, they get shut down, and guess what they do? They just go open another account using a different fake address, and they just repeat that cycle again, and again. So, for us sellers based in North America, we want Amazon to clear out a little bit of that mud and make it less competition on Amazon for us, and we get more sales. All right, so here's what Amazon is doing. By the way, there are some things you can do to clear out the mud a little bit on your own. I'll talk about that in a few minutes here. All right, so the first thing Amazon is doing is they're requiring brand new sellers on Amazon to have some verification checks done before they let you open your account. I remember when I first opened my first Amazon account, it took like 10 minutes, a couple of lines to fill out, a few pages of information, and boom, I got my account. Now Amazon is requiring a video call, like a Zoom call, so they can actually meet the brand new seller and help verify that, yes, you are a legitimate seller. Second, a postcard. By the way, this is part of step 1. The second thing in step 1 is a postcard. So a video call and a postcard address verification. They actually mail a postcard. Now, it's not exactly a postcard. It comes in a larger envelope, but it's got a code on there. It's got a code on there, and they mail it to the address that you gave them, your US-based, your Canada-based address that you gave them, and then they can verify that, yes, you actually do that. Now, think about it. If you're a fake account, a black hat tactic account, you're in China or Taiwan or Russia, and you're faking like you're in the US, how do you do that? You got to have someone on the inside, right, in the U.S., getting that postcard, getting that code, and giving it to you, right? By the way, if you're a legitimate seller on Amazon, this doesn't annoy you because it'll take you 3 minutes to get the code and put it in your account. No big deal. Okay, which is the second thing they're doing. The second thing they're doing is they're mailing that postcard to most accounts out there, right? And so if your account is a couple months old, up to 10 plus years old, they're going to mail you that code and you got to verify your address. Again, no big deal. If you're legitimate, you don't mind doing it. Now, these 2 things right there, we're going to get rid of a whole bunch of fake Amazon accounts. But the third thing is a big one. Virtual bank accounts. That's what most fake accounts use. They use a virtual bank account and instead of, quote, a legitimate brick and mortar type of bank account, they use a virtual bank account to get paid. So Amazon is requiring a little bit more now in the bank account situation. The bank account you give them to receive your money from Amazon, they're requiring more steps to that. So with these 3 things they're doing, they're going to get rid of a lot of these black hat tactic people that aren't following the rules. They're going to clear out some of that mud. Now, here's what I wanted to tell you about as well. If you are selling on Amazon the way that I teach people to sell on Amazon, the way that ALGO's been teaching people to sell on Amazon for the last 6 years, the water is not as muddy. And here's why. if you're selling popular name brand products, these fake sellers don't affect your business as much. But if we can get rid of those fake sellers, we will have less competition, less listings on Amazon that you have to compete with to get your sales. But if you're selling popular name brand products, you're already getting the sales volume. Your Disney toy, your Star Wars, your Hasbro, your Rubbermaid, your Keurig coffee maker, all these things, they already have great sales volume. So the right way to sell on Amazon, and I've been saying this for years, is to sell popular name brand products. Now, I would love to teach you how to sell popular name brand products, how to find authorized suppliers, how to avoid some of these common mistakes. There's a link right down there to a live, free 90-minute training I'm going to be doing. So click on the webinar link, get registered, save your seat. Here's why it's 90 minutes. I'm going to spend the first 60 going through the training, step by step, how to sell on Amazon the right way, how to sell popular name brand products. Then I'm going to do a question and answer period that's usually 30 minutes long. It's actually my favorite part of the call. I will cover every single question you have, one question at a time. And so set aside 90 minutes of your life, click on that link, get registered, save your seat, and I will show you step by step how to do this. By the way, the reason I do it live is so I can do that question and answer period. So if you're serious about selling on Amazon, you want to do it the right way, you want to avoid some of those common mistakes, you want to improve your life, you want a second source of income, you're looking for some type of better way to make money, Amazon is the path for you. So click on that link, get registered, save your seat, and I'll see you soon.